Alright folks, I'm out here cooking on the offset cooker, but I'm doing things a little different today. Cooking some chicken legs and chicken wings. Okay, first of all, I have my barbecue sauce that I mixed. Barbecue sauce with liquid molasses and some garlic paste stuff that I have here. And so you got sweet, garlicky barbecue sauce. And actually, I'm warming it up on top here. I don't want to put it on cold. Okay, so what we're doing different today here is, instead of lighting the fire in the offset box, I put the charcoal and a big hunk of peach wood on the side there. And the peach wood does two things. It gives you a little smoky peach flavor, and also it keeps the temperature up, because when you're cooking chicken with the skin, you need to have between 300 to 400 temperature, or the skin's going to taste like rubber. So anyway, I'm just going to agitate this little piece of wood here so it burns hot again. See, I've got a mixture of lump charcoal and briquettes going in there. Usually that'll last about 2 hours for what I got there. So yeah, I'm going to move things around. Some of these wings are getting kind of toasty. I have on the edges, and I'll move some of these over here, close it up. These legs may take an hour or more before they're done, but I need to keep the temperature up around 400. Forgot to show you that. But you see, we have a little thermometer gauge on the box, and it's been staying right about 400 the whole time, kind of perfectly. So I've been happy with that. But anyway, if you burn the fire over here, you're not going to get 400 degrees in the box unless you burn a really hot wood fire. So anyway, things are going smoothly here. Have a good day, everyone.